Hi there, and welcome to this special induction edition of Pulse from the Learning Resource Centre. This video contains all the information you need about the LRC to get you started and explains how we can support you with your studies as you move forward into the first college term. Our aim is to provide the facilities and the resources as well as tailored support to help you with your coursework and personal development in an academic environment so that you can progress on to further study and employment once you leave. We want you to get the most out of the LRC throughout your stay here at college. The LRC team provides an innovative, open service supporting the learning and research needs of each student. There is a code of conduct that we expect all our users to adhere to when using the facilities. The code is threefold: responsibility, respect, and integrity. Be responsible and take responsibility for your actions. Respect the working environment and those working around you. Demonstrate integrity by being honest and use the computers for coursework only. There are of course a few rules that you need to be aware of. We support bottled water, so fizzy drinks should be kept in your bag and not on your desks. For health and safety reasons, please do not bring or consume hot drinks and food in the LRC. We expect you to work quietly at all times. You may not mind a bit of noise, but the person working next to you might. We support the use of YouTube, where you can find many useful resources and tutorials to assist you with your coursework. We do not support playing games on the computers, and you need to be aware that your use and activity, including the sites you visit and files you download, is all recorded and available to appropriate staff. So don't make the mistake of thinking it doesn't matter what you do whilst in college. It does, and this includes legal and illegal download. You need to know that any incidences of students not complying with the rules will be recorded and reported. When you're logging onto a computer for the first time, you need to use your student number as your username and a temporary password which has been set as Halton1. When you change your password, please include a capital letter and a number as in the example shown, but do not use your name or address or less than 6 digits. You have a college email address, which is your student number at student.riversidecollege.ac.uk, and this is very easy to set up. Just click the email envelope on the student intranet. Please remember to back up your files. Your email account includes a more than sufficient amount of file storage space. The LRC incorporates the college library and allows you to borrow up to 8 items on your card. If you forget to renew or return items by the date stamped inside, you will incur a fine. It's easy to renew online, so please use this facility. If you can't find what you're looking for, please be aware there is an extensive ebook library available via the LRC pages on the intranet. Other resources include Anatomy Online, Flipster magazines, as well as the online databases Academic Search Elite, Humanities International and Vocational Studies Complete. So when you need to research, think Go Research. We have a range of subject-specific journals here at the college, providing the latest articles published on key academic issues. Stay up to date with what's new by checking our e-blogger link on the intranet. And laptops are available to use in the LRC on request. Your ID badge not only allows you to borrow books and laptops, but allows you to access your printing, and staff are on hand to show you how. Most importantly, your ID badge gives you access to the building itself. Each full term you are allocated £6 worth of printing. Black and white is 3p per page and colour is 10p. If you run out, you can purchase extra credit from the LRC. Please print responsibly. Always check your work for spellings and punctuation and any blank pages before you print to avoid unnecessary waste. The LRCs at Kingsway and Crompton have opening times that reflect the college day as far as possible. Please check the college intranet for details. We are however closed during term time holidays. Stay up to date with the latest news from the LRC by following us on Twitter and YouTube, where you can find our latest Pulse videos and other online tutorials. I hope you enjoy your time here at college, and remember, we're here to help you.